Good morning, care team friends. I wanted to jump on real quick, and forgive me, I'm a professor, so this is what's easiest for me, so I hope this isn't super like, what is she doing? So I got permission to give you the login information for the two most common websites that we use for care team orders. The first is FTD for flower delivery and sometimes gift basket delivery, but I think we might make the switch to Amazon. More on that to come. And then for giftcards.com. So in the email that I'm going to send, I'm going to give you the login information and what you would need in order to actually make the purchase. So how we'll do this going forward, we're going to try it and see how it goes, bear with us, is we will assign you to a care item. So let's say Jane Doe broke her leg. Sorry, Ashley, using your example. And we want to send flowers. You know, I would say to maybe Tina, hey Tina, here's Jane Doe's address. Here's what happened and here's her phone number. And this is what we need you to do. So all you do is you log into FTD. You'll go into our account. I'll send you the login. You put in the zip code. So let's just say it was Moon, PA. And the delivery date. Typically I try to do as soon as possible, unless if by doing that, it only shows flowers in a box, then I'll push it out a few days. But let's say we want to have it delivered this Friday. I just usually hit shop now. And then I take a look at kind of what my options are. Sometimes I will pick an occasion. I'll pick, you know, get well soon, whatever the case may be. You don't always need to, but let's just say, you know, think like Lauren Blair. Which one do you think is lovely? Which one do you think is fitting? For flowers, we try to keep them, you know, around $75 total once they add in information. 50 is ideal, but you'll find that that's a pretty difficult number to hit. So let's just say, for example's sake, we're picking this Best Day bouquet, which I've picked on several occasions. I usually feel empowered to go middle of the road. So typically I don't just stick with good, I go with better. If it's on sale, sometimes I'll go with best. I'll just simply add it to the cart. And then you're gonna hit checkout. And then you have to put in the individual's name and information. As far as the message is concerned, we will typically, and we can get you some kind of scripted messages if that would be helpful. I think Lauren would love for me to do that, so I'll get that information to you. But depending on what's going on, it's just as simple as saying, you know, we're praying for you, we're thinking of you, we're here for you if you need anything. And I usually sign it, you know, love Pastor Zach and Lauren and the care team. Just as simple as that. I usually uncheck this send annual reminder email, and then you go ahead and you just process the payment. So the payment information is already stored in there. And then for one of them, I believe it's gift cards, you have to put in the security code, and I will give you that for the card as well. So that's FTD. Giftcards.com is equally as simple. You will make sure that you're signed in. At this point, we are 9 times out of 10 sending e-gift cards. Many of them are Grubhub, like we said, Panera, whatever. Let's use Grubhub for an example. I'll just come in here and simply pick Grubhub. I believe, I can't tell which one's electronic. Then you click on the card face. It will ask you e-gift card or plastic. You set the dollar amount. We can tell you that for a while. Typically for a family of like 2 or 3, we just do 50. If it goes to 4 or 5, we'll do anywhere from 75 to 100. We'll give you that information as well. You then just have to put in the recipient's name, their email, and again, just a simple message. we're praying for you. We're believing with you. If you feel there's a scripture, if you're like, oh, this just seems like something where they need some peace, or if you just you just want to give them encouragement, feel okay with doing that. If you want to ask Becca or I, like, would this be an okay thing to say? We're fine with that. We're just letting them know that we're here. We will make sure you have an email address. Then you just simply hit next step, confirm, and place the order. So it's really, neither of these are super difficult. I can get you the login information for the Amazon account that they want us to use as well whenever I have that. I haven't done an Amazon order in a while, but these are the two most common, and going forward, you can consider yourselves empowered to do this, and we will start assigning you. Please also feel empowered to tell us, no, I don't have time to do this right now, and we'll move on to either the next person on the list. You can always volunteer and just say, hey, I'll take care of it, or we'll do it. We got this. So I hope this helped. I'll get you all the information, and thank you for agreeing to be helping us on the care team. We just love you and appreciate you so much.